The voice of reason
If you
doesn't
lose
exist.
money, it's not my fault.
It's a loss either
Look,
way. Think about
like
it.
you know, look when
Yeah,
they
it's a
say
loss because you started fucking buying it.
when they say there's a 0.5% that you can get a case. For example, if there's a 0.5% chance that you can get a case in 100 cases, that knife is either going to be on the first case or the last case.
Huh? I didn't hear what you said. I just.
He didn't hear. He didn't even bother listening. He just started opening shit. Oh my fucking god! This is terrible.
What was it, $17, bro? Oh my god.
No way.
Sheesh.
Oh my god.
Oh my.
No, don't skip. Don't skip.
Don't
It's gonna
skip.
ruin. You're gonna ruin the suspense.
Dude.
Oh my god!
Yo, dude, let's go. No way. Yo.
Never
What the fuck?
Dude, I told you.
Holy shit! You lucky bastard!
Dude, no way. I told you. I
You got a
told
fucking
you.
ruby.
Yo, dude, shit's kids are shit kids.
Yo, that was insane. What? Dude, that was
Oh my god!
insane.
He actually got a fucking ruby.
That's like around 300, 400.
Dude, that was insane. Dude.
That's not a standard Doppler.
It's not even gonna be on there. It's way, way more than that.
It's a thing.
That's insane.
Check it.
Is that factory new?
pattern.
That's
Oh.
factory new.